The Angular framework is made up of several different components. We'll be looking at how each of these components interact with each other as we work through this lesson, but it's helpful to see roughly how they all fit together before diving into the specifics of each one. The first thing we'll look at is the module component. Think of a module as a container that stores the different parts of an app. Like any framework, Angular provides a templating system that lets you format the HTML structure of your application. This is the view part of the MVC framework architecture that Angular follows. The controller is where you set up the initial state and logic for a view. The scope is what binds the template and the controller together. When a user interacts with the template and changes some of the data, the scope watches for this change and updates the controller. On the flip side, if the data changes in the controller, then the template is updated. Directives are markers on a template that tells the Angular HTML compiler to attach special behavior to a DOM element. A service is closely tied with controllers. You would put view-independent logic in a service. Then you can use that service in many different controllers. For example, a service could be used to fetch and store a user object. This one service could then be used in multiple different controllers. An Angular app doesn't need a router, but the more complicated an app gets, the more likely it is that you'll want one to help manage the application state. A router will watch the URL and load the correct template and controller. Let's take a look at how to add Angular to an existing project.